Le prince William reconnaît qu'il y a un besoin de changer par rapport à la règle royale ne jamais se plaindre, ne jamais expliquer de la reine, selon un expert en marketing. Le duc de Cambridge aurait voulu mettre fin à la tradition royale de longue date de ne jamais se plaindre, ne jamais expliquer suite aux critiques sur sa tournée dans les Caraïbes et celle de Kate. Pauline McLaren, professeure de marketing et de recherche sur les consommateurs à Royal Holloway, a déclaré que William considère qu'il est nécessaire de s'écarter de la politique. Le co-auteur de Royal Fever The British Monarchy in Consumer Culture a ajouté que le duc est très conscient que lui et Catherine sont l'avenir de la monarchie. Le professeur McLaren a déclaré: « Je pense qu'il reconnaît qu'il y a un besoin de changement car si est tellement un jeu de relations publiques de nos jours. Bien plus que lorsque la reine a pris le relais. Maintenant, tout dépend de la façon dont vous vous marquez, de ce qui est repris par les médias et de ce qui ne l'est pas, et vous devez en être très conscient. De plus, le public s'attend à voir le genre de contact humain derrière la façade. Je pense que nous exigeons de plus en plus l'explication. Mais William semble prêt à donner plus de lui-même à cet égard et je pense que si est la bonne décision. » It was reported earlier this week that William had been thinking about how the protocol can be modernized when he ascended the throne following criticism of his and Kate's Caribbean tour. Change could include ending the policy of never complain, never explain. William issued a statement at his and Kate's trip to Belize, Jamaica and the Bahamas came to a close last weekend. The couple faced accusations that Belize locals were not consulted about a royal engagement as well as calls for slavery reparations in Jamaica. William and Kate were also accused of being tone deaf after pictures emerged of them shaking hands with crowds behind a wire mesh fence in Kingston, while images of the pair riding in the back of a Land Rover during a military parade in Jamaica were the known harken back to colonial days. In his statement, the Duke admitted the monarchy days in Belize, Jamaica and the Bahamas may be numbered. He stated the future is for the people to decide upon. William said the Commonwealth chooses to be its leader isn't what is on my mind, but what concerned him was its potential to create a better future for the people who form it. He added that he and Kate were committed to service and saw their role as supporting people, not telling them what to do. Media coverage of the tour had been split, with some emphasizing the positive impact of their presence in the Caribbean, while others described the fence photograph as a PR disaster. Professor McLaren said, "I believe it had some great moments in their tour, and the trouble is it was slightly overshadowed then by some of the negative moments.